Do you face stiff competition and market saturation, whereby there are many competitors and similar products? Hello and welcome. I'm Eileen Chieng from Thoughts Equal Results. It's common for you to feel stiff competition, especially now with the advancement in technology. It's also common to find that the product you offer is similar to your competitors, and your competitor is offering a product that is of high quality too. As every quarter goes by, you are feeling the heat from the management on the gap between the projected sales and actual sales. You can't go to the management and expect them to accept that the gap is due to stiff competition and market saturation. What if I were to tell you that the stiff competition that you are facing right now is due to your ignorance of the rules of engagement? Think about it. Our rewards in life will always match our services. Or simply it means what you sow is what you reap. Another way to put it, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. The only reason why you get a promotion or a bonus is never about the hours you put in. It's the results you delivered. So right now, if you're not happy with the results of your sales due to the stiff competition, ask yourself, what services am I providing? Yes, perhaps the product you are selling is similar to your competitors. However, what makes a customer choose you over another competitor is the value you bring to the table, the service you provide. Have you heard of the saying, amateurs compete, professional creates? Ask yourself, what service can I provide to my customers to help me rise above the competition? The idea of focusing providing service to your clients, perhaps they are not even your clients, they are your prospects or mere acquaintances, this may seem like an uphill task, especially when your sales is low. However, if you start practicing this new habit day after day, the rewards will be tremendous. Try it. Every morning, go somewhere quiet, have a cup of coffee, and ask yourself this question: what service can I provide today? I encourage you to watch this video again and get your friends to watch it too. It's free, it doesn't cost a cent. If you want to go further, you can study with me. Go to my website, thoughtsequalresults.com, and you can make an appointment with me. This is Eileen Chieng. Thank you.